Installing a radiator guard on a 790 Duke Evotech. Let's see what's inside the box. Evotech Red Guard. Vibration dampener. Vibration dampeners and some bolts. And the bracket. In here there's a series of round holes rather than the hexagon ones, and that's where these little vibration dampeners go in. They sit on the radiator. There's 5 vibration dampeners, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and this foamy stuff you can just place on under here and under here just to prevent vibration. Let's install the Red Guard. We're going to start off by undoing these 2 T30 bolts. One on this side, one on the other side. We're going to secure this piece to the bottom of the radiator where we took the 2 bolts from. Screw this bracket onto where those bolts came out. Just do them up gently for now. On this side and on the other side. Now we're going to place a piece of this tape on here to stop any vibration. And do the same to the other side. Okay, we slide the guard on top of the radiator. Then we screw in the 2 bolts that came with the kit underneath here on both sides. These little bolts under here are a H3. Now that that's secure, we can tighten back up the 2 T30 bolts, and then we're done.
I'm wondering where the day went. The clouds have me shrouded in grape, but I'm still out pounding the pavement.